Look what just became available to purchase here. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Yenko Tribute. Absolutely beautiful car. And yes, powered by a 427 underneath the hood. That's got power steering and power brakes also equipped underneath there. That's paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. And as you can see, very deep luster to that black paint. Of course, with any black paint, you'll find some light surface scratches or some imperfections, but on this one, as you can see, it stands very tall. Great looking Yenko stripes on the deck, the sides. Those are vinyl, they're not painted on. For some reason you didn't like it, didn't like the looks of it, they could come off, but just stunning with that on there. Best of all is when we fire this up in a little bit, you can hear that 427 run. Very, very healthy 427 underneath the hood. As you can see, the seats are done up also. Yenko headrest, you can see its buckets. Black vinyl, there's your 4-speed, gauges, center console put in. Very, very nice looking car. See, the dash is in good shape. Retains a stock dash, stock looking interior. If you'd like to check out the underside, see how solid this car is, check out the trunk, any of the engine bay pics. The pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or you can give us a call if you'd like to inquire about transportation, like to know about getting it shipped to you, like to know anything more about this vehicle. Feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. You can see some more of the Yenko badging in the back. Yenko stripes on the side. Beautiful car. Come around and take a look at the interiors and see the vinyl's in nice shape. I also have pictures without the floor mat in and the still pictures, so you can see the carpeting is in nice shape. The floor mat's not covering up anything, just more or less protecting that carpet. Keeping it that way, check out the undersides of the door and the still pictures, see how solid those are. Again, still pictures are at uniqueclassiccars.com. So you can see interiors in very nice shape. Headliner, not sagging, that's all up. Wood grain inlays. Just a cool looking 69 Camaro. Let's go ahead and fire this one up. See how easily it starts? Nice rumble we have to it. Sorry it's a little dark in here. Cloudy day out today. I can't show you that dash very good, but check out the still pictures. You'll see it there. How nicely that door closes and fits. Look at the rumble of this car. How'd you like to pull into your local cruise-in or your local show with this one? Definitely a head turner. 1969 Camaro Yenko Tribute with a 427 breathing underneath the hood. Also with power steering, power brakes, 4-speed. Feel free to give us a call. Once again, that number is 507-386-1726. If you'd like to inquire about this car, or again, those still pictures are at uniqueclassiccars.com.